Dear learners, myself Sachin Anna Sahib Nitwe. Today we are going to discuss the topic Introduction to Dosage Form. Learning objectives. Learners will be able to know what is meant by dosage form, different types of dosage forms, advantages and disadvantages of different dosage forms, as well as what is meant by novel drug delivery system. In ancient time, drugs are consumed in the form of crude drugs, powder form, as well as in liquid form. As science progresses, medicaments are available in different dosage forms. Dosage form means administration of medicament in prescribed quantity in suitable form. Depending upon the physical nature of drug, dosage forms can be classified mainly in three groups: solid dosage forms, liquid dosage forms, and semi-solid dosage forms. Solid dosage form having different forms like tablet, capsule, pills, cachets, dusting powder, granules, snubs, dentifrices, etc. Liquid dosage forms having different forms like syrups, mouthwashes, gargles, eye drops, ear drops, injections, lotions, liniments, etc. While semi-solid dosage forms having ointments, creams, pastes, jellies, suppositories. Now pause your video and write advantages and disadvantages of solid dosage form. After writing the answers, start video. Now let us see the advantages and disadvantages of solid dosage form. Advantages of solid dosage form: they are economic, they are physically and chemically stable, they have longer shelf life, they are easy to transport from one place to another place, they require less area for storage. Solid dosage forms are elegant dosage form. They are less bulky. Disadvantages of solid dosage forms: bitter taste drugs and sparingly soluble drugs are not given in the form of solid dosage form. Some drugs are available only in liquid form. Incompatible drugs are not given in the form of solid dosage form. Solid dosage form having slow onset of action. Advantages and disadvantages of liquid dosage forms. Administration of liquid dosage form is easy in children's and elderly patients. Liquid dosage forms are palatable. They have rapid onset of action. Disadvantages of liquid dosage forms: first, they are uneconomic. Second, they are physically and chemically less stable. Third, they have less shelf life. Fourth, transportation of liquid dosage form is difficult. Next, they require more area for storage and liquid dosage forms are more bulky. Now, let us see what is meant by novel drug delivery system. Any dosage form which releases medicament uniformly, continuously for prolonged period of time is known as novel drug delivery system. Examples: transdermal drug delivery system, nanoparticles, occusors, liposomes, nanosomes, neosomes, etc. These are the few images of novel drug delivery system. For example, transdermal drug delivery system, liposomes, nanoparticles, and occusors. Dear learner, thank you very much. Happy learning.